So what is the purpose? Well, the purpose is to start with that we have an inventory file. And in this inventory file, we need two groups, DB servers, which isn't really used in this lab, but let's do it anyway. And we have the web servers. And then we need to set some variables. So the variables are going to be in group vars. So mkdir group vars. And in this group vars directory, I am going to create web servers. And in there, we put some content. So web package HTTPD and web service HTTPD. Double checking, does that match the names in the inventory? Oops, it's web servers without a hyphen. So let me move group vars web underscore servers to group vars web servers. It's important that the name of this file matches the name that you are using in inventory. Next, I need a simple playbook. So let's call this playbook lab5.yaml. And in this playbook, we need to use a debug module to show these variables. Name lab5, hosts web servers, tasks, and in the tasks we are using debug with the message using web package and web service. Doesn't really have to make sense as long as you are addressing the variables in the right way. So Ansible playbook on lab5.yaml is showing how this is working out. And there we go, using HTTPD and HTTPD, that's exactly what we needed to do. And that's all.